Hello guys! Just got back home from the province and ngayon I'm trying to unbox something. Ano kaya to? Thank you landlord sa pag-receive. Kasi you know guys, I was at the at our province while this came. So wala ko dito. Wow! Amazing. This is so amazing. Di talaga to para sa akin guys. This is for my special, very special someone. Napakaganda ng kanyang packaging. Parang sobrang ano talaga ng ating item, no? Sobrang careful lang sa knife. Careful lang. Pero kung magustuhan ko to, pwede na rin akin na lang to. Charot. Or bibilin lang ako ng isa pang ganito. Look. May barcode pa. Wow! Wow! Perfect for someone who loves to hike, someone who loves to go outdoors. And let's finally unbox it or unpack it. Ano kaya ito guys? Wow! Amazing. Very amazing. What's this? Okay. Wow. Nice. Napaka-sturdy niya na seat. Outdoor talaga to siya, guys. Look at that. Okay, good jobs. So, this is Sunday outdoor seat pag mag-outdoor getaway. Ayan. Wow! Wow, amazing! Wow! Galing! Magugustuhan to ng mama ko, sigurado. So, okay, yung special someone is my mother. And I bought this for around 200 something. Basta hindi naman siya lalagpas ng 300. Ayan, napakaganda. Solid. Ayan. Tsaka may lalagyan pa ng water. Maganda actually siya guys. Look, napaka-sturdy ng item na to guys. Tsaka as I've said, pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan. Okay. Pwede pala siya ipa-lagay sa ibabaw. Okay. Ang baba. Kulang na lang dito ng coffee, guys. Or anything na pwede mong malagay dito. Thank you so much for watching!